what up, guys? Check it out. We made it here, South Sioux City, Nebraska. Got here late last night. We're just getting rolled out. We got to meet Matt, the teacher. That dude's awesome. I like him. So let's get it popping.
I've said for a long time that life without purpose is pointless. And if you're doing what you're passionate about, you never have to search for, why am I doing this? If you ever hit that point in life, it's tough, right? Bringing that passion in every day, finding something that you enjoy doing, you see the result, you see your direct effort and how that impacts the world, makes the world a better place. That's what fuels you from the inside. And hey, there's a lot of days where it sucks to be outside and be working hard. I'm sure the power line guys aren't tickled pink when it's blowing 40 miles an hour and it's 40 below zero and poles just went down and they got to go stand them back up. But hey, we need them, right? And they know that they matter. And what they're doing makes sure that our community has the lights turned on. Any trade, pick a trade, and that is how it looks and that is what it is. And all those individuals are so passionate about what they do, just like me doing what I'm doing, I'm an educator. That's who I am. That's what I love to do. I won't pretend to be a welder. I can weld, but at the end of the day, I'm an educator and I'm passionate about what I'm doing. I'm just watching my kids do the same thing.
To all the instructors that are up here now. Okay, we couldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. Now, you kids in this room here, you need to take this to heart. These gentlemen up here wake up every morning and come to this school to teach you. Through the thick and the thin, your good attitudes and your bad attitudes, they show up every day for you. Being a teacher is not an easy job, okay? So make sure when they speak, you listen, take what they have to heart. They generally want the best for you, or they wouldn't do this. They could be anywhere in the world right now, but they choose to be here for you. They're working to build a better generation, so we appreciate you guys so much. All right, thank you guys. From my team, from the bottom of our hearts, we really, really, really want to thank you guys. We really appreciate everything you guys do. It's been a pleasure. Thank you for letting us come out here. It's been absolutely incredible. Believe it or don't, but this country faces a national security threat. We were sponsored by Build Submarines, which is a department out of the Navy. The Navy is trying to build 2 submarines a year, but they don't have the workers to do it. We have a lack of blue-collar workers in this country. I was constantly told as I went through school that you will not be successful unless you go to college. And that is so not true today. You can find a trade and work with your hands and make good money and take care of a family really easily. It's not hard to do. We need the carpenters to build the houses, to frame the houses, to put the roofing on. We need the electricians to run the electricity into our houses so we can turn on our lights and build our great power grid. We need the plumbers to run the water so we have fresh water and to get rid of our waste. It's so important for the health of our nation. We need the machinists to build the parts. We need the welders to build the bridges and the buildings and the refineries where we get all of our products that we take for granted. There's not one thing that you touch every day that a welder or a machinist doesn't have their hands on. So I need you guys to get inspired. Don't let anybody tell you ever in your life that you're nothing, or let them look down on you for a second for being blue collar trade. Because I promise you, we are the backbone of this nation. The moment we disappear, infrastructure stops. So don't let anybody look down on you. You'll have a great life if you do it, okay? Together we can build this country. Blue collar tar! 2024!
He stood on this floor, right where you're standing today. Looked at that flag right there, right where you're looking today. Made the choice of his life, what this place is. It's up to us to choose to bring our skills to the fight, make this country something worth that sacrifice.
We all take advantage of the things that we're given in this country. A lot of us never realize what we truly have. There's a lot of men and women that sacrifice their lives for us to live this way. So make sure you be respectful. Look into those. Also, the military is a great trade as well, okay? You gotta believe in yourself, wake up every day, have respect for others. Brotherhood is huge, okay? A lot of people are going through things you never see or you never know. But this great country was built by people that sacrifice a lot. So I think what I wanna do, I wanna say the Pledge of Allegiance with you guys. Can we do that? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and liberty and justice for all. You guys are incredible.
Dude, South Sioux City, you guys flat threw down. Let me tell you what, everything, getting to hear that story about the Navy SEAL here, Matt, the teacher, incredible individual. You guys are so lucky to have him. I'm so proud to be here in South Sioux City. This was an incredible experience for me. We're gonna roll this bandwagon up and we're gonna head south to York.
Let's build America!